Hello everyone, I'm going to be showing you how to set up the LYHME Nexus Bot. What this bot does, it allows any game server that you have with LYHME hosting to be remotely controlled via Discord. You can stop and start services, you can also view the file manager, for instance, directly through Discord. So what you want to do, you want to go to LYHME panel, and from here you want to go to game services. Once you're on game services, you can choose which service you want to choose. It doesn't matter which one, it will all be the same process. Click on this button named Invite to LYHME Nexus. What this does, it will take you to Discord and it will ask you what server you want the bot to join. Simply choose one. Click on Authorize and complete this. After that, it'll be authorized and then go back to Discord. You'll then see the bot in your Discord server. After that, you just want to type in the link command. From here, it will ask you if you want to set up an account if you do not already have one. Simply type in yes, and it will then DM you. In the DM, it will ask you to enter your LYHME panel username. There we go. And then from here, it will also say enter your LYHME panel password. If you don't want to enter this, that is fine. You just have to enter in your Discord token. To get a Discord token, you come to your LYHME panel, click on any game server, click on generate token under the actions tab. From here, it will give you a token to use. Put that in there, and then you'll get this message. If you do not get this message, it usually means something is wrong with authentication. To get exact details on why it didn't work, go back to your Discord channel. It will tell you why this message did not pop up. Anyway, go back to your Discord channel. It will say choose a server. It will come up with a list of all of your servers that you have on LYHME hosting. Simply choose this one. I want to choose number 1. After that, it will come up with this has been linked to whatever the Discord server name is. To get onto the service interface, you just want to type in service. From here, you will get this embed with a load of options for you to use. So what you want to do, if you're, for example, right now the server is stopped. If you want to start the server, just press the start button. It'll say started, and if we go back to LYHME panel, we can see it is starting up. Let's say I want to view a graph for the server. So the current graphs you can view are the players, the CPU, and the RAM. To do this, you just want to open up the service interface. From here, you want to choose the graphs. In the graphs, it will ask you what one you want to view. I want to view the RAM. It will give you a graph for the past 3 days. My server is currently being on offline for 3 days, so I'm not going to have any data, but for your server, you will probably get to have some data. Let's say we want to view the workshop file using the file manager on the bot. So what you want to do is you want to go into the service manager. From here, where we can then choose the file manager. In here, you'd find where the file is by following the directories. So it is in servers, which is corresponding by number 14. You type in 14, you type in 1, and then here's the file. So we choose number 8. As we can see, we already have something in this file, but I want to edit it. So we'll choose number 4. This will download the file. So once it is giving us the file, we want to open this. I've already got it downloaded. As here. So what you want to do, I want to enter more details. So let's enter some more. That'll do. So once we've done this, you want to send this file back. So just click and drag back into Discord, and then here it is. It will have edited the file and it will update it in the embed, as you can see here. So to go back, we just put 2 dots. Another thing we can do, we can also delete files. So let's say I want to go into our plugins folder. Let's say this folder. I want to reset the translations. So what you want to do here, just press number 2 to delete, and then it will be deleted. That's pretty much it for the file manager. Let's say you want to use the log viewer. So that's pretty simple as well. You open up the service interface. From here you want to choose the logs directory. What this does, it will give you all of the logs directory, or all of the logs in the logs directory. So I want to view this log. Just press number 1. It may take a while since it gathers all of the data from this rocket log. I will give it a minute. Let's say you want to send a RCON command to the server. That's pretty simple to do. All you want to do, you want to make sure that you can already send RCON commands to the server using PuTTY or the web console. To make sure this is working, you want to go to configuration files. You want to go to rcon.config.xml and you want to edit this. Ensure that your RCON is enabled and is set to true. The port is the same as your game port, it is seen here. And also make sure that your password is secure enough. Once you want to do that, you want to go back to your Discord server and type in the service interface. From here we can now choose this option. Let's say I want to make it daytime on the server. It will execute this command and then it will give you the response. Currently I have a corrupt save file, but this would normally come up with the command you executed and what the response was. So as you can see, it's here. So I'm wanting to install a mod using the LYHME Nexus Bot. What you want to do is you want to go to your service interface. From here, you will get a selections and mod manager. Choose that and you'll be greeted with this long list of mods, and the key of this is for any plugins beginning with H there is 1. So all plugins beginning with K there are 5. So what you want to do is you want to choose a letter or just simply type in a plugin name. So I want to search events. You'll see the event's name or the plugin name, and I want to choose this one. So as you can see, it's not installed, and this is what we're going to do. So type in 224 for the ID, and here you will get access to this little embed. This will add a backwards arrow to go back, or you can download it. So to download it, just want to click this. It will prepare to download and you'll be greeted with this. This will go through the installation of the plugin. So as you can see, it's been completed and the mod was installed successfully. If for any reason it was not installed successfully, it will tell you why here.